With all the choices available today, it can be overwhelming trying to figure out the best option for your needs. You'll also want to get the best price for your new computer, and unless you buy from the right shop, it's easy to pay too much or get the wrong computer and have problems down the track. There are 3 critical factors you should look for in a computer store to ensure you get the right advice and best value package to suit your specific requirements. Firstly, we have massive buying power here, which means you never pay too much and get a huge range to choose from. Secondly, you get a professional and experienced team of computer consultants to help you understand your requirements and guide you to getting the best prices. We don't sell fridges or microwaves or furniture. You'll only find computer experts here. And finally, you should definitely buy from a local authorised warranty provider to avoid the pain of sending your computer overseas for repairs if something should go wrong. We are authorised for Toshiba, Apple, Asus and HP, which means you always get fast repairs and service right here in Perth.
It's your portable technology